Oh, going people, thanks for fall back to the Pattern News Network. Big up on yourself, you don't know. Now people, as you can realize, we're still in Olympics coverage people. PNN now leaving out full forwardry, full coverage, full analysis people at the Olympic Games. And today people want to introduce you to the one who analyst them. And they have to analyze what going on in the Olympics. We make you know what going on with the athlete them, how the thing looks so far, and what are going on for the future. So I'm going to provide some forwardry and some analysis people. And today, as someone know it, someone know him, man. If you don't watch Dextazlab TV, we don't know Rasta Jawge, Meds. But you don't know him real name. Him real name is Michael.
All on the Jayut. Are the one of the eye government, the eye board for Carlo?
Yeah, but then I give him a full, I do an introduction.
No, Jayut, make it stay right with them, man. Rasta Jawge it is. Rasta Jawge. The people them know the eye as Rasta Jawge, you dig?
Alright, Rasta Jawge. Alright, Rasta Jawge.
Yes, Jayut.
Right. So people, Rasta Jawge, you know him as Rasta Jawge, him is Rasta Jawge, alright? But people, make him do like an introduction to himself, make him know who him be and them thing there, and why him an analyst for PNN. Rasta Jawge, take it floor.
Well, first of all, before I introduce myself, you know, I man just want to say greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty, King Jesus Christ. Jah over Jireh, ever living, ever secure. I know so we get a whole heap of gold medal, but in the Olympics I want more. Yes, Jayut.
Alright, Rasta Jawge, alright. We feel energy. We feel, yeah.
So right, I know Rasta Jawge just want to take an opportunity, you know, just to send a greeting and a healings to all the people who I watch from abroad and from yard. You know, all the people who are tuning into the Pattern News Network Lympics coverage. You dig? And I just want to send out a special love and blessing to the item. Thanks for the forwardry. Thanks for the opportunity for Rasta Jawge there.
Yeah, that was a spirited, a very spirited introduction, Rasta Jawge, alright? Very people, so I don't know who Rasta Jawge, you know, look a bit about him. But if you want to find out more about the Rasta still, you can check out the Meds on Dextazlab TV. Meds with Rasta Jawge, man. I have a couple meds and them thing that we do. So people, right now we want Rasta Jawge to tell me why him a want analyst. Why him a analyze what go on? Because we don't know Rasta Jawge to be an analyst, we know him to be a medza. He know meds about different things, but we never see him analyze.
Yeah, Jayut, before the eye say I just want to make a quick correction to something what the eye said earlier, you know? The eye say Rasta Jawge I can analyze what go on in the Olympics, but Rasta Jawge don't deal with lies, and I have a heart of truth and a pure mind and thought, you dig? So I going to honor truth what is going on at the Olympics, you know, because I do deal with lies. You know, all the other stations I analyze, I deal with lies, I'm not telling the truth. But what they have to honor truth the thing what going on at the Olympics.
Oh, honor truth. Honor truth. Producer, I would have brother here. Producer, I wanna get the brother here. Sorry people, I wanna get the brother here from. Sorry about that people. So Rasta Jawge, I'll make you kind of explain to people why you're on the show and why you're an analyst. More and find out myself too.
Yes, Jayut. Some know the item probably at home. I watch pan the Magic Box, you know, and I wonder what Rasta Jawge I do pan PNN. I talk about sports. I never hear Rasta Jawge or no meds about sports yet. Well, I is an active and avid follower of the sporting world, you know. I impressed always, you know, well forward on the couch and watch like a basketball and football and all these things, you know. And I could have been one of West Indies, only Rasta man I play for the team. Yes, I. Because I was a great all-rounder in all-age school. And I used to play cricket, you know. Yeah, man, I was a real all-rounder. But I went to a train one day, you know. Because mother used to work at the same school and thing, you know. And I played like a cricket, you know, and I would pitch up a bounce up on the eye and he'll knock out I seed. So I don't know, I mother have to take her out of the sport because I mother I pray the future, you know. And I say, Rasta Jawge, I can need him youths. So I couldn't lose I seed. And I have to give him some forwardry and for honor truth. Because when they have to tell no lie. So I there upon PNN because, you know, I've experience in the sporting world, you know. And we hear more about this once I continue along this journey. Bless
Alright, thanks to break that down for Rasta Jawge. So people don't know why Rasta Jawge up on the program right now. And I provide the honor truth. Honor truth of what go on at the Olympics and thing. But Rasta Jawge, since we're about the 7th or 6th day of the Olympics so far, you see me? How you pre you are going with the gymnastics and with the swimming and them thing there? Because we have a couple athletes in them thing there. How you pre it? What go on?
Yes, Jayut. So as I said earlier, you know, and I Empress has been watching the Olympics so far up on the Magic Box, you know. And as much as we not get no medal yet, you know, we give thanks to what the item produced so far, you know. We have a warrior empress with the eye call her. She named Danusha, the gymnastic girl, you know. And I also want to big up Danusha, you know, because I should the item don't know that injury is a serious injury in Rasta. And for the fact say the warrior, you know, the warrior empress say boy, she go forward out and still participate higher. But tip add to her, you know. Big up yourself, Warrior Empress.
Warrior Empress, alright.
We have a next youth named Keenan, you know. Where he might deal with the swim around thing, you know. We just want to big up the youth as well, you know. We want to make it forward in the competition, but we big up the youth so far. We have a next thing to go deal with right now when he swim around. So, you know, we just have to make him know, say, yo, big up yourself, you go and deal with the things same way. We know, say, you got to produce a medal for the country, you know. First medal in a swimming. Yeah, man, make it to the final, youth. And next one, you know, and I want to cross to the eye art, you know. Everybody call her Alia, but I call her Jalia.
But I'm not Jalia, she name. She name Alia Atkinson or Jalia, she name.
Jalia, I call her, man. Jalia, I call her, because, you know, I just send her to me, you know.
Oh, just send her to it. Alright, Rasta Jawge, alright.
I have a little point for her too, you know. Hear me out, the people. Splash, or them hear when you dive off. Whoosh, or them hear when you fly past. Left them for dead. You mash up them meds. 5 years the Olympics, my girl. You did the country well. You never carry home the medal, but my girl, you think shell. Me know see your mother call you Alia, and all is well. But me you want to call you Jamaica like a mermaid. Big up yourself, Ariel.
Rasta, they're full of versatility, man. The man versatile people. And just analysts we have poet in here too. You see me? We don't just analyze sports like some other station. We are giving poetry too. Big up Jalia Atkinson. You see me? Big up Ariel. But Rasta Jawge, what you pre about the 100 meter? Or you pre that I go work out? What do you think the Jamaicans want to go on?
Well, Jai, you want to know, say, this is the race everybody talk about, you know. And the race everybody want to see Jai youth. But I not going to make the eye know, say, you know, Jaggy eye a vision. Jai wake up the eye out of eye slumber, you know. And make the eye know, say, the race is going to be 1, 2, 3. You dig? Now, Jai never make the eye know what orientation or who I get first, who I get the second, and who I get the third, you know. But I know, say, once the Empress them, you know, deal with the thing what to deal with, you know, and then again the injuries and them thing, you know, and make it to the final as a 1, 2, 3, you know. Because as we know, you know, Pocket Rocket, Shelly with the Remy, Ilian fast like a jet plane, and Sharika will act like 10 dengue fever. Come on, man, come on.
Rasta Jawge, you're not easy, you know, brother. Brother, you're not easy at all.
So as me see it right now, the 1, 2, 3, you know.
But Rasta Jawge, how about the other people in the race? I don't hear to talk about nobody else in the race.
Well, me scrutinize the thing in a Jayot. Nobody else in a competition, you know. If you focus on the competition, you not get nowhere, Jayot. So if you focus on the eye themselves, we don't watch people. Jamaicans don't watch people. We don't watch people. So respect to all the other people in the race, you know. But as you see it right now, we want the first, the few, and the third place. You dig?
So alright, since you talk about the ladies in Rasta Jawge, what going for the man them? What going for the man them and for them 100? Or you pre that?
Well, as it forward to the lion them, you know. John never tell me nothing about the lion them, you know. So I feel like, so boy, the lion them, I gonna need some fasting and some prayers and thing, you know. All of the athletes them need the prayers, people. But I feel like the 100 meter for the man them are gonna be a little bit different, you know. It's much more difficult than what we have the likes of Usain. Him never too sane on the track, you know. And people like a faster and all these things, you know. We are these people who could have carried the baton and make you feel like so boy things can go on. I mean not taking away from the athletes them, you know, but the man them have not produced in a number of years. So we hope so the youth them can at least make it to the final, you know. Make sure them drink up them spirulina and them sassy perilla and all these things, you know, get up on the herbs and all these things on the body and ready up for the finals, you know. Because we want the youth them make it to the final and do well. The people jump up and make noise and them house and them thing there, dig?
Yeah, viewers, so the year right as the first, Jamaica get the one future at the Olympics, and that we are pre, right? As Rasta Jawge said, we not watch nobody else in our race. If we race to win or lose, we are run against ourselves. But we just want to big up all the athletes them there in Japan. If we not run on them thing there, if we not dive, if we not box, if we not do karate, or judo, go on them thing there, whatever we not do, people, just do it to the best of our ability, and just go and big up on yourself, people. Listen out for the rest of the Pattern News Olympics coverage. It's a hype. Because we have an interview and all these things with the athlete them. Don't ask how we're going to get it, we're going to get it. But, go and tune into Pattern News Network and Olympics coverage. Big up on yourself. You don't know.